Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to improve our code using isSet directive. Okay, so let me show you one example and let's see and how to improve the code. Okay, so let me go here. I pass simply green and blue with the cards array. Okay, so you can see the green one, blue one. So that means if I go to the bled file, if there is a green is set on the cards, then that should be green card should be displayed. If there is a red display, like red already set on the cards variable, then should be the red card should be displayed. If there is a blue set, then that means the blue card should be displayed. So right now if you can see that, if you refresh, you can see that green card and blue card is displaying. So if I go here and go to the controller, let me add it like red equal to 1, that means red I am going to set it. Okay, so if I refresh and if I go here, you can see that. Okay, so now it's coming like red card as well. So it's working fine and code is also fine, but we can improve it. Like we can use the isSet directive that helps, like you can ignore the if and isSet both condition, and directly you can use the isSet directive. So let me do that. Okay, if I go here and directly I can use isSet, and inside that cards green. Okay, and let me remove this one. Okay, and let me and is set. Okay, so let me do for all. So let me just simply remove this one and let me add it the is set condition. Okay, and cards, and there will be a red and is set. Okay, and let me also remove this if and is set. So let me use is set directive, and let me go to the cards, and there will be blue and is set. Okay, and let me save it and let me go and simply refresh it. Okay, it works. So let me go here and let me remove the blue. Now blue should be removed. If I go here, you can see that. So now it works perfectly. So you can see the much clean code, and you can use the latest Laravel updates, and you can improve your code. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe us. Thank you so much.